It could have been just another summer, but that summer felt different. That was the summer of you and me.
Ah! Sorry!
Tonyo, love, tap tap.
Kaya mo ba kung mahalin ng forever?
Oo naman. Gusto mo mahalin pa kita ng forever and forever and forever eh.
Time drove them apart.
7 years ago. Move on na tayo, di ba? Sometimes, not having the closure is the closure.
Sure ka?
I have a new client that wants to open a high-end bar. Your job is to transform Anton so he can mingle in a high-end crowd. And by the way, he is my boyfriend.
Ikaw si Sir Anton? Ikaw ang boyfriend ni Miss Monica?
Gusto ko sana humingi sa'yo ng sorry.
Sorry?
Nung tayo.
There was never an us.
Akala ko naman, jowa mo siya.
There was never enough.
Change brings them together.
Di naman sabat na gwapo ka lang.
Gwapo pala ako ah.
Will love find them this time?
Steph, aminin mo na kasi. Huwag mo nang i-deny na in love ka pa rin kay Tonyo.
It's too bad. He's not available.
He is my boyfriend now, kaya wag kang ilusyonada and don't even try to compete with me. You're lying, backstabbing, boyfriend-grabbing witch!
Minahal kita. Totoo yun.
There was never an us. There will be never an us. It's... Huwag mo lang
Will their love stand a chance? Maybe this time